Mr. Tanaka makes the reservation at 6 o'clock. The table is for 4 at 7. It is his mother's birthday. She has not been out for a long time. He chooses this restaurant because he knows it well. It is casual and quiet. He thinks his mother will enjoy it. He picks up his mother at 5:30. Two cousins meet them at the restaurant. They arrive at 7. Claire, the maitre d', greets Mr. Tanaka by name and leads them to his usual table. It is the corner table by the window. Claire has already set it just the way he likes it. His mother sits down slowly. She looks around the room. She seems to like it. The food is very good. Everything comes out on time. The service is quiet and careful. His mother is talking and laughing. Mr. Tanaka has not seen her like this in a long time. Near the end of the meal, Claire comes to the table. She is carrying something small. It is a cupcake. It has pink frosting and a small pink candle. It looks like something for a child. Mr. Tanaka is not sure about it. It is very cute, maybe too cute. Then he looks at his mother. Her eyes go wide. She puts her hands together and laughs. She leans forward and blows out the candle. She looks like a child making a wish. Mr. Tanaka watches her. He feels something warm in his chest. The cupcake is perfect. He looks at Claire and nods. She nods back and steps away quietly. On the way home, he thinks about the evening. Everything was just right. Claire remembered the birthday. She took care of everything. Next time he comes, he will bring something for her. He doesn't know what yet, but he will find something.